I went ahead and fixed the strongs, I think, just for my own peace of mind. There we go, that looks better. Okay, I had a look again at what you were asking, and you said it was mostly an overview, but especially building tables. So I don't know if I covered that enough for you. If you want, I can just let me know and I can expand more on it. I think for now, content-wise, we're just gonna do a little final statement before we end the body. So let's do H1 and H1. And let's add an H2 to that. I feel like that would be relevant to a website, right? And the reason I'm including that is because I want to have a class known as closing. I mean, a section known as closing. And close the section. Okay. Okay, so like I said, you can do this whole indentation thing. You may have noticed I just dropped it towards the end because, I don't know, with HTML, sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it wasn't helping me, so I dropped it. So let's just do a quick rerun. This tells the browser as soon as the file runs. So let's pretend that, where is it? This is your server. Someone runs this file, right? And the browser opens the file. It looks for equals doc type. You're telling it's HTML. Now the browser is set to look for English. So you're telling it that this HTML page is in English. It could be another one for Spanish, German, you know, where the text would be different, obviously. Then you get to what's known as the head of a site. Here you include the meta char set, which is basically what language it should be reading these in. You have your meta name for your viewport, which is what you're telling it what to show everything in. You're telling it that within this thing called viewport, all content is supposed, the width is supposed to be the device width, which is, you know, if you're on a small screen, it's going to be this. If you're on a mobile, it's going to be about that, whatever. And the initial scale is going to be what it's initially zoomed to, which is 1, which is unzoomed. But if you're like partially blind like me, it's then going to reload to whatever the device is set to, which in my case I think is like a 2.5 or something. Then this one is really important for your test. The link. So you're telling it you want to link something. What kind of thing are you linking? A style sheet. Where must it find it? Over there. This title is what goes over the top. And your head, body, everything you want to show, and your body. The rest will run through as we're doing the CSS again. Cool.